Welcome back everybody, my name is Luis Minacho, and today we're reviewing the Tutto 3. So let's jump right into it, starting off with what's in the box. The first thing you'll see is an instruction manual. It's pretty basic. The one thing to note is that it does come with a useful link here at the bottom left that teaches you how to use the pencil. Next, you'll notice that it comes with a lot of replacement lead. Usually most mechanical pencils don't come with this much replacement lead, but this one does. So they'll provide an H2 replacement. It seems like it's about 10 pieces of lead in each one. Then there's an HB, 2B, and some blue lead. So that's quite interesting. Next, you'll notice that they provide two little replacement erasers. So that's great. And a de-jammer. So just in case lead gets jammed in one of the tubes, you could use this to poke out all the little broken bits of lead. Finally, the actual pencil. So what makes this pencil very useful is that it can carry 3 different types of lead all in a single pencil. So it's able to carry a 0.3 mm, a 0.5 mm, and a 0.7 mm. The overall weight feels pretty good. It is definitely heavier than a plastic mechanical pencil, but it is not as heavy as one of those solid metal pens. When it comes to the actual thickness, it's quite nice, especially if you compare it to a multicolored pen. You can tell that the multicolored pen is a lot thicker. When it comes to the length, it seems pretty standard. I measured it against about 4 or 5 other mechanical pencils, and like I said, it's pretty standard. When it comes to the look of the pencil, it actually comes in 2 different colors. It comes in an all black and in an all silver. I got the all black because I think it looks better, but overall the design is very simple and straight to the point. Now let's jump into how to actually select your lead. So in a traditional multicolored pen, you have these different little tabs that you can push down to select your colors. But when it comes to the Tutto 3, you only have one single button. So the way that you select your lead is by choosing this label. So let's say we want to use the 0.3. You make sure that that's facing up, and then you just press the back and the 0.3 comes out. And then if you want to retract the tip, you push this button and the tip retracts. So let's say that you want to use the 0.7. Just make sure the 0.7 is facing up, press the back, and the 0.7 comes out. If you want some additional lead to come out, you just keep tapping the back button and additional lead comes out. Again, if you want to retract it, you just push the button. To be honest, I have no idea how that works, but I've been using this pencil for the last 2 weeks and it's never given me the wrong lead. So it seems pretty consistent. Next, I'll show you guys how to replace the lead. Since there's 3 different kinds of lead, you have these 3 tips, and the way you know which one's which is by actually looking at these rings that they carved into the silver piece. If there's 2 rings, it's the 0.7. If there's 1 ring, it's the 0.5. If there's no rings, it's the 0.3. So let's say in our case, we want to replace the 0.3. So what you do is you hold on to the silver portion. With the other hand, you hold on to the gold portion and you pop it out. It's quite simple. You put in about 2 pieces of lead. You really shouldn't put more because there's a higher chance that it could jam. Mine has never jammed. And then you screw it back on. And there you go. Overall, I love this pencil. I actually plan on buying the silver one next. My plan is to use all the B2 LEDs in the silver one and then leave all my B LEDs in this one. I hope you found this review useful. If you would like me to review any other art materials, let me know in the comments down below. But until then, my name is Luis Minacho, and I'll see you next time.